is Monica and welcome back to my channel Monica Crafts. I hope you all are doing good and you must be doing something to keep yourself busy. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 2 home decor ideas using waste medicine bottles. Yes, medicine bottles. Please make sure to hit that red subscribe button and to give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, without wasting time, let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
find this video useful, please do consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay safe. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.